At launch, the 7600X was quite pricey and a poor value compared to the 13600K. However, AMD was forced to cut prices, and that's exactly what they did. This is why the 7600X is more appealing now. That entire situation allowed us to build a superb mid-range PC that competes Intel builds. Here are the PC parts we suggest for this build. CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. CPU cooler, DEEPCOOL AK400 CPU cooler. Motherboard, Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite AX. RAM, Corsair Vengeance 32GB DDR5 4800. Storage, Silicon Power A60 1TB SSD. Video card, MSI MECH 2X OC Radeon RX 6700 XT. PC case, NZXT H510 Flow Mid-Tower case. Power supply, Asus ROG Strix 750W 80 Plus Gold. To start things off, the 7600X is quite a decent choice for this mid-range build. It features 6 cores, 12 threads, and a maximum turbo frequency of 5.3 GHz, and superb performance in both productivity and gaming workloads. It lags a bit behind the Core i5 13600K in production workloads, but it is also now a bit cheaper. The only problem with the new AM5 platform is the motherboard and memory pricing. Despite that, we were able to include a decent motherboard and memory kit for this build. You should also look out for the upcoming non-X version of these Ryzen 7000 chips, as those will be a bit cheaper. For the cooler, we recommend going with the DEEPCOOL AK400. It's not the optimal choice if you want to go for overclocking, but if you need something that will just keep temperatures in check, it will get the job done. The cooler is easy to install and comes with a 120mm fan that is actually quite silent. In terms of memory, we recommend the Corsair Vengeance 32GB DDR5 kit. It's not the fastest DDR5 kit on the market, but will still get you better performance than DDR4 for these new Ryzen platforms. This is a decent looking kit, and you might be able to squeeze more performance out of it with overclocking. The Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite AX ATX AM5 motherboard is a great choice for this build. It features a robust VRM configuration, PCIe 5.0 slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2, and excellent memory CPU overclocking capabilities. Paired with the Ryzen 6 7600X, it is an excellent mid-range CPU motherboard combo. Storage is important for a high-performance build, and the Silicon Power A60 1TB SSD provides plenty of space and fast read-write speeds that will make your system feel snappy. The A60 also has a sleek design that will match the overall aesthetic of the build. The MSI MECH 2X OC Radeon RX 6700 XT is a powerful graphics card that will provide excellent gaming performance at high resolutions. It features 12GB of GDDR6 memory and is capable of running games at 1440p with high frame rates. The design of the card is also impressive, with a backlit dragon that glows in the dark and an angular design that's sure to make a statement. This GPU is also a much better choice than the RTX 3060 Ti or RX 6600 XT, considering its excellent value. AMD finally manages to win the race this time against NVIDIA. The NZXT H510 Flow Mid-Tower case is a great choice for this build. It features a sleek design with a tempered glass side panel, and it provides excellent airflow to keep your components cool. The case also has a cable management system that will make building and upgrading a breeze. Finally, the power supply unit is the Asus ROG Strix 750W 80 Plus Gold. This PSU is a great choice because it's efficient and reliable, and it has a fully modular design that will make cable management easy. The ROG Strix 750W also has a nice design with RGB lighting that will match the overall aesthetic of the build. To conclude, this is an excellent mid-range build that keeps up with mid-range Intel builds. It's also a much better overall configuration than the Intel Core i5 12600K build we looked at in a previous video. Performance is excellent, and you're getting the latest components such as DDR5 memory and a high-end power supply. The estimated price for this build is $1,400. So what do you think? Tell us what you'd like to change. Check another video where we suggest the best AMD PC builds and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments what you think, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.